equals x. Straight and simple, to the point. Here we got absolute value with absolute value of x. Always positive, no matter what. Here we go. Quadratic, x squared. Double up, daredevil that never backs down. Cubic with x cubed, kind of linear, but just can't keep it straight. Here with square root of the square root of x, we got puberty growth with it growing fast, but just slowing down. Cube root with the cube root of x, cubic, but just happened to flip and slip. Reciprocal, that I like to call the rebel, who refuses to zero 1 over x. Exponential with f of x equals 2 to the power of x is our roller coaster climb, part 1. Here we flip on over to logarithmic with f of x equals log x with this roller coaster climb, part 2. Greatest integer with the greatest integer of x. Stair step staircase with them all holes. And then finally with sine and cosine we got the
To
weight.
transform paired functions, you have to add or subtract numbers either inside the parentheses or outside of the parentheses. In this case, we have the parent function f of x equals x squared. To make this function go up 1, we have to add 1 to the outside of the parentheses, because if it's on the inside, it's side to side, but if it's on the outside, it goes up and down. Likewise, we have to subtract 1 to make it go down 1, subtract 1 inside the parentheses to make it go right 1, and add 1 to make it go left 1, because it's opposite.
So there's this guy standing vertically. His name is A. He's standing outside of f of x, and he knows that if his absolute value is greater than 0 and less than 1, he has a compression. And he knows that if his absolute value is greater than 1, he has a stretch. But one day he was walking, and he tripped over a rock, and he fell into f of x, and he was now laying horizontal. So now that fall made him confused because he hit his head, so he thinks his name is B, and when his absolute value is greater than 1, he has a compression, and when his absolute value is greater than 0 and less than 1, he has a stretch.